pastor na maglilid po sa atin, yung promised pastor who has received the revealed word of the New Testament. Okay? So, titignan po natin pa isa-isa. So, ano po yung revealed word na yun? In Revelation chapter 10, verses 8 and 11, dito po, ating pumbasahin po na sabay-sabay sa Revelation chapter 10, verses 8 to 11.
Babasahin po natin ang Revelation chapter 10 verses 8 to 11. Nariyan na po. Ito po ay muling aklat po sa New Testament. Mag-thumbs up po tayo kung tayo po ay nariyan na. Nariyan na po. Ayan. So basahin po natin ang Revelation chapter 10 verses 8 to 11. Ready, begin. Then the voice that I had heard from heaven spoke to me once more. Go, take the scroll that lies open in the hand of the angel who is standing on the sea and on the land. So I went to the angel and asked him to give me the little scroll. He said to me, take it and eat it. It will turn your stomach sour, but in your mouth it will be as sweet as honey. I took the little scroll from the angel's hand and ate it. It tasted as sweet as honey in my mouth, but when I had eaten it, my stomach turned sour. Then I was told, you must prophesy again about many peoples, nations, languages, and kings. Amen.
Amen. Lagi po sa ating pagbabasa. So, dito natin makita na meron pong bukas na aklat na hawak-hawak po ng anghel. Kaya bago po ito mahawakan po ng anghel, o matanggap po ng anghel, ibig sabihin, natanggap din po ito ng anghel. Wala